Dawn was a young eagle, full of dreams of the skies, eager to feel the wind beneath her wings. One morning, she decided it was time to soar higher than ever before. But as she took off, a strong wind hit, and she lost control, falling hard onto the rocky ground below. As rain poured, Dawn felt the sharp pain of her broken wing. She tried to flap it, but the pain was too much. She looked at the sky, once her home, now feeling like a distant memory. Doubt filled her heart. Maybe I will never fly again, she thought. Days passed, and Dawn stayed under the tree, watching others fly above. She felt alone and ashamed, believing she was weak, unworthy of the sky. The silence around her was heavy, and every beat of her heart reminded her of what she lost. One day, an old sparrow came near Dawn. The sparrow noticed Dawn's sadness and asked, "Why do you sit here, young eagle?" Dawn replied softly, "My wing is broken. I can't fly anymore." The sparrow smiled gently, saying, "You may not fly now, but that doesn't mean you never will." The sparrow picked up a feather and let it float in the wind. "Do you see this feather? It trusts the wind completely, letting it take it wherever it needs to go. Sometimes, we need to trust life and ourselves, even when we feel broken." Dawn took the sparrow's advice to heart. Each day, she stretched her wing, moving it little by little, despite the pain. Every small movement was a step towards healing, a step towards trusting herself again. When it was time to try flying again, fear filled Dawn's heart. What if she fell again? What if the pain returned? Doubt whispered in her ear, reminding her of the fall that broke her wing. But then she remembered the sparrow's words. Trust yourself. With a deep breath, Dawn opened her wings and leapt. The wind caught her, and for a moment, she felt the skies again. She wobbled in the air, her wings still weak, but she kept flapping, refusing to give up. She remembered how it felt to fly, and her heart beat with hope as she hovered, trembling but free. Slowly, Dawn learned to trust herself again, and her wing grew stronger with each flight. She began to rise higher, feeling the wind she once feared, and landing on branches she thought she would never reach again. Dawn realized that falling was not the end. It was a part of learning to trust herself again. She was not the same eagle who once fell, but she was stronger, wiser, and ready to embrace the sky once more. In life, we all fall, and sometimes, we feel broken. But remember, the fall is not the end of your story. Trust yourself, take small steps, and you will find your wings again. If this story inspired you, like, share,